A man named Sridhar lived with his family in a village called Sri Rangpur. Sridhar was a very simple and honest person who minded his own business. At that time, Sridhar's mother Rama used to make papad. Sridhar would take them to the market to sell. Everything was going well for them. Rama made very good quality papad. She had to work hard to fulfill her orders, and Sridhar also helped her in this. Now Sridhar got married to a girl named Meena. Meena also started helping Rama in making papad. Rama got some relief. One day, Rama said to Meena, "Meena, please prepare the papad dough, then both of us will roll the papad together this afternoon." "Yes, Mummy ji, but let me finish the housework first, then I'll do it." "No dear, prepare it now. If we soak the dough early, the papad will come out better." "Okay, we'll do it now." Meena was a very cunning, lazy and greedy woman. She didn't like Rama's instructions at all. She always wanted a comfortable life. But after marrying Sridhar, she had to work daily. Whatever money came in, it would stay with Rama, which made Meena very angry. Sridhar was a simple man. Meena to Sridhar one day, "Listen, these days, Mummy ji makes me work too much and she just sits and counts the money. I don't like this."
So what, Meena? She's our mother after all.
"Yes, I'm not saying she's our enemy, but these days I'm facing so much trouble. I get tired with all the work. And on top of that, I can't even buy anything for myself or even can't go out, only work, work and work. My life has become like that of a prisoner."
What are you saying, dear? We have such a good family. And you are saying these things? Look, father and I go to the market to sell the papad. And you and mother together make them.
Together? Try saying that again. Your mother doesn't even touch any of the work. And you say we both make the papad. We do the hard work and she takes the money.
It's not like that, Meena. Why you are thinking this way?
How is thinking about my own family bad? Now this became Meena's daily routine. She kept troubling Sridhar every day, kept asking him for money again and again, so that he would talk to his mother and all the money would come into her hands. Tired, Sridhar said to his mother,
Mother, these days you don't do any work, and I don't like asking you for money again and again. Why don't you...
"All right, Sridhar. Anyways, I'm tired of working now. Whatever I have is yours. If you both work together, we will feel blessed." Rama had heard Meena's words many times but always ignored them. But now that Sridhar brought it up, she decided to hand over everything to Meena. The couple set out on a pilgrimage. In a few days, Rama and Madhav left the house. Everything was now in Meena's hands. Meena was very happy. She made papad as Rama had taught her. Sridhar alone would go to the market to sell them. Days passed like this. Now, money started coming to Meena. One day, Meena said, "Listen, see this. This month we made 50,000 rupees profit."
Yes, Meena. This is very good. If mother was here, she would have been so happy.
Saying this, Sridhar left and Meena thought, "He says mother would be happy. I do the hard work, I earn the money and she would be happy." Slowly, greed for money grew in Meena's mind. She thought to herself, "If I keep someone to help me and should reduce the amount of spice in the papad, my profit will increase even more. Yes, I'll do that. And I'll have to work lesser. But what if the taste changes? So what? I'm doing the hard work for money, right?" Now she hired a help for herself so that she has to work less. Not only this, she reduced the spice in the papad, and as a result, their taste changed. Seeing the money, her greed grew more. Now she even made the papad smaller in size. So one day, Sridhar to her,
Meena, the papad seems smaller and tastes different too. Why it is so?
"You are so innocent. In times of such high prices, we will have to do this." Sridhar quietly went to work. Then a woman said to Sridhar, "Sridhar bhaiya, the taste of your mother's papad has changed a lot now, and the size too. But the price, it keeps on increasing."
Sister, it's nothing like that. You know how prices have gone up.
Bhaiya, give only if the taste is like before.
Yes, sister. This time the taste is just like before.
Sridhar tried to convince people, but because the taste was not the same, no one wanted to buy the papad. One day, Sridhar to Meena,
Meena, see, this month we didn't even make 1,000 rupees profit. I have explained to you so many times. Now people don't even want to buy at half price. I'm scared thinking what will happen next. I am very worried that what will happen to us next. I have told you so many times, but you have never listened to me.
"What will happen now, Sridhar? I thought we would earn more and show mother how successful we are." While they were talking, Rama and Madhav returned from their trip. Seeing Rama, Meena at once touched her feet and said, "Mother, please forgive me. I always thought I was right. I never understood your importance. I became greedy and I forgot what you taught me. But now, see what has happened. You can only help us out of this pit." "It's all right, Meena. Now we will have to start again. But this time we will have to work harder. And always remember, whatever you do, always maintain the quality." All of Meena's pride, laziness, and greed were shattered. Now she worked hard with her whole family and lived very happily.